okugabira abantu bashema ebyapa bya busha kizireho bwa nyuma y'omunyeshengero wa Shema Municipality Dickson Colin Kateshumbwa akwatanise n'omunyeshengero kazi Rosemary Nyakikongoro okutera enduro mu gavumenti habwo obushuma n'entaro z'amataka ezabere zimuko muri Shema tenuke gavumenti kubagarukamu.
We shall create a title for only the safe zone. You get it? Area committees mutichiriza abantu kukora kutunge byabo bishara. Aho kwanza abo bintu byona tubirebera mama.
Omuntu akufuna ekyapa n'ateekwa kuba ayinendaga muntu. National ID ayine kuba agiine ningombwa noshanga umwe ariyo process yo kwenda kufuna national ID.
Kishangirwe ngu abashema municipality babene benda kushoroza emitwaro mushanju buri omwe oraza okutunga ekyapa konkaba ministry hamwe na meya Kahara bagizire ngu oraninje ha mitwaro 2 bamukwate.
Ikikushigamira kineki abantu bitu bona twakwebasa abantu bitu tubine mandorkinga eriye mitwaro mukaga neshipeke government erikuja kwihama muntu obwaza kutransactinga nibasha etakweta makuru tope kohani manyango yetu mukaga neshipeka niye kwale covering some of the land application fees is to solution
this solution that you have brought up, if people have disagreements, we skip that place and go to another. Because the experience that I have had in solving these land matters, once the issue has come from the LC one to LC to an LC and comes to your office, it is most likely that you can't even solve it.
Amaka mutwaro gumwe kurwa mu division ya Kagango hamwe na Kashozi nugo garukuza kutunga ebyape bya habwabusha ohiro mushoro gwa mitwaro 2 ya municipality abo kugira ngo bakatera jakaruru gasha kwa Mike atwachire.